Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or have solved the problem of jump button on Suno. On Suno app you click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Suno app and you click here. Then we click on forward stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.